Puppy hole.
November here.
Keep going.
He's like, he's like, I'm getting out! I'm getting out! It's my turn to get out!
Come on.
Like, how you going now?
Go back in.
He's like, I'm climbing the stairs. I ain't that stupid. Oh, he'll fall again, watch.
He will.
He'd be like,
Oh my god. They're fine. They're fine.
come here, baby. Come here.
Ow.
You got dirt all over your face. Look at it. Look.
Nobody's.
Look, he's got dirt all over his face. Look at it. Oh. Go see your brothers and go see your brothers. Oh, he's just so, he's like, oh, freak out. Hey. He's like, I'm gonna fall. He's gonna fall again. He's just gonna like, okay, maybe
Nope.
not. Wow, he
He's
learned.
gonna. He's going to.
No, you gotta go this way.
No, let him go through it. His big butt.
He's gonna like slide off, and that's gonna really hurt.
Where'd he go?
You got a Houdini on your hands.
I know.
Hi, dear baby.